I have problems with the sound playing on my head unit. I reboot the system by pushing the reset bottom left hand corner, and this is the procedure that happens. It boots up. As you can see, the radio is already on because these are showing. When it's off, they don't come on. Let's see what happens when it settles. I have all the apps running. That's the radio off. That's the radio on. Go into the radio, tune to the next station. Stations are moving. Go to the sound. Slowly, eventually this comes on. Increase the sound. Still nothing. Now I'm going to try find out what's wrong with this. I found the solution to having no sound on the radio all the way around, which is settings. Go all the way down until you find, I think it was system, all the way down until you find reset options. Erase all data here, and it will delete all your software that you have installed. A restart. I have already done this, and now I can go into my radio and the sound is working and the stations are working. Hope this helps you.